Hi fam, welcome back to our channel, Design on the Dollar. I'm your host, Ida. Today we're going to be taking some apothecary jars, and we're going to take them from Drab to Fab. Yes, you've seen these apothecary jars in stores like Marshall's, TJ Maxx, Home Goods. And they can get quite expensive if they have any type of bling on it whatsoever. But we're going to take some plain ones and we're going to bling them out. And guys, yes, I enjoy doing these DIYs so much. And it would mean so much to me if you would leave me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment. You know, I love communicating with you guys. And guys, if you want to communicate with me even more, we have a craft with me every Saturday night at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We do stuff like, you see those little drinking jars over there in the back? We do those. We do DIYs that's supposed to take an hour, but they take longer. But we do have fun over there. We do get an opportunity to catch up more with each other. And you get an opportunity to know me a bit better. Now, in this DIY, these steps are repetitious. And I do not want to bore you guys with it. So, I am going to speed through this. And I'm not going to talk. I'm going to let you listen to music. And I'm going to let you just while out on the bling that we're putting down on this thing. Ooh, okay guys, yeah. So you're just going to need some apothecary jars, some bling wrap, some E6000, and once I ran out of my E6000, I went to what you call that stuff? Tacky glue. And so that's pretty much all you're going to need, and some time to do it. So relax, get you some coffee, some tea, some milk, whatever you want to drink, and just enjoy the process. So I love you guys, and I will see you guys in our next video. Bye bye. Fam and guests, if you like what you're seeing so far, please take this opportunity to hit the like button and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so you will never miss an upload from us. Fam, isn't this turning out beautiful? And guests, so if you like this, please don't forget, as I said, to hit the like button. Also, guys, if you're new here for the first time, please go down in the comments and leave me a purple heart so we can leave you some love. Oh guys, and our name has not changed. It's still going to be Design on a Dollar. That's what God gave me. That's what y'all like, and so that's what it's going to be. Design on a Dollar.